Good day, my beautiful friends. And just finished wrapping up here, Sunset Grill. Thank you so much for your amazing support. And my wonderful friends, you showed your solidarity. You showed that you're behind my back. And we'll laugh at the haters out there that try and twist this to make this some sort of to make me look bad. We know we know what's good. My wonderful friends, thank you so much again. And I figured while I give time to recharge phone, maybe here QEW, Kew Gardens. And the rain's still coming down here, so I figured maybe it'll do another 4K HDR video. So I'm not sure whether or not going to get back to live streaming. I do have my battery pack, but it's just, I mean, we had a pretty good run at it. I know it was incomplete because I wasn't quite finished the meal yet. It was just a shade under 4 hours. My beautiful friends, thank you so much for having my back. I got your back, you got my back, we got each other's back. That's how we do here. And go Leafs, go. Nice lush green. Gotta love the lush greenery. Let's see. The gardens, a place of innocent amusement. Joseph Williams. Oh, that's so cool how as you walk. Oh, this is such a cool effect. Very, very nice branch here of the Toronto Public Library, the Beaches branch. Get it on the wide angle here. Hopefully no one in the shot. Just right by the window. Ooh, that's an owl. That's an owl. There's a lone seagull with all these pigeons. Kind of outnumbered now. Oh, there's a few more newcomers here. Looks like got the pigeon and got the seagull beat here. I don't know if pigeons work hand in hand together or not, but... Oh, I think the streetcar might have spooked them. Trying to at least get a few minutes for this video, so just trying to figure out. Looks like there may be a trail over there we can walk. In honor of those who served. And to all the veterans for the service of Canada, this great country. Thank you so much to all the brave men and women that served for our great country. You are honorable, incredibly honorable. Salute to you. Salute to the Honorable Tom Montgomery. All right, we'll go take a walk here. You see a couple of trails here. Oh, they're not paved though. It might be all muddy. Might be all mudded up. Oh, we'll try. Ooh, what's that? Is that magnolias or are they blossoms? Cherry blossoms. Wow, it's really, really wet. It's really, really wet. And I only got my sneakers on. It's okay, we're gonna try our best here. Baby, baby, wet. Oh, I don't even know if they're... I think it's a completely different tree. I don't even know if they're magnolia. I think they look like magnolias. Thanks to our great friend Christine, we go places tours, learned better about what magnolias are. Sounds like there's people listening to the music. Hopefully, I can get enough of a walk here. I often get even a good 10 minutes would be cool. What's this? Gotta love the random art found sprinkled throughout Toronto. Maybe we'll get a closer look, something to look at. I wish I could show you the gazebo, but there's people chilling there. It's all good. We'll always be back. Okay, well, I don't know if there's that much more. Hopefully, I at least got 5 minutes there. Hope you enjoy this.